Hey guys, this is HDSkuxx, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to insert a brand new wick into your Zippo. If you don't know what a wick is, which you should know because you're looking up this video, this is a wick, and that's the thing that's like the rope at the end of the lighter, at the tip next to the chimney. Here, I took it out. All you have to do is like pull it out real hard to take it out. And that was the top, and this white part was all that was left over, so I couldn't reuse it. So I have to use another one. So let's get started, guys. So first thing you need to do, well, first off, you'll need something like this, a plier or something long like a stick or something like that, to push the wick in, and I'm going to show you guys that later. And you need a brand new wick, preferred Zippo wick, Zippo brand wick, and Zippo lighter, of course, since you need it for this. Okay, first off, you have to take out the insert from the lighter itself, so let's do that. Once you take out the insert, put the casing to the side, and then you gotta unscrew this screw. If you never unscrewed it before, you need a screwdriver, but if you have, all you do is just turn it, and the thing should pop out. Okay, there it popped out. Pull that out, put it to the side, and then take the flint out. There's my flint. Put it to the side also. And once that's out, you gotta pull the felt padding out. Pull it out all the way. Put that to the side. And then you see the cotton balls inside. Once you see them, take your pliers and take all of them out. Mine are in boxes, which other people's have like circles or stuff. Okay, I'm gonna use something else for this. 1 second. I'm gonna use like a stapler removal or something like that. And like take all that cotton out. Yeah, I think that's the last piece. And there you go. That's the insert. Well, the inside of the insert. And once you got that, put the paddings to the side. Take your brand new wick. I have this next to me. Tweezer or whatever it's called. Cut that. Well, you could use scissors or whatever to cut it open, the packaging. And once you cut open the packaging, keep ripping. So you get the real stuff inside. Okay, throw that out, obviously. And you get this. Open it. Oops. Open. And there you see, it's your brand new wick. It's like rolled up. Throw this out. Okay, so once you see the wick, make it straight. Well, you don't have to make it too straight because either way you're gonna bend it. So keep it a little bit curved. And what you're gonna have to do is line this up with the hole. You could do it this way or through this way, and it'll be the same thing. So I'm gonna do it through this way. Let's see how it goes. put it through. Gotta push it. Oh, it came out a little bit. I'm gonna take my pliers and pull it from there. There you go, it's right there. So all you could do is take a little tip and bend it. You don't have to take a big tip, just a little tip, and bend it that much so it doesn't like move when you're moving it inside there. So after that, you're gonna see the wick is like all dangly. So all you do is use this or whatever I told you to use, like a stick or anything like that, and just push it to the edges of the container. Just keep pushing to the edges, and then fold this up and put it on that side and push that to the edge. You want to make it as separated as possible so more fuel goes on it. So once you're done with that, all you do is take your cotton balls and just shove them back inside as hard as you can, and keep doing that. It's pretty hard, so once you get closer to the end, you're gonna have to push way harder, because the way they packed it, that was professionally packed, so you gotta keep pushing really hard to get that in there. And try to push more on the sides so it gets in than straight down the middle. So on the edges is really great pushing. Okay, I'm gonna put my last piece right here. And keep pushing, because we still gotta make room for the felt padding. So gotta keep pushing it in there. Sorry if my hand is blocking the camera, but I'm trying to do my best here. Keep pushing it in until it's in there. I got all mine in there, but you gotta keep pushing so none of it sticks out and you have room for the felt padding. So just keep pushing the edges. And make sure nothing is around this tube right here where you put the spring back in. Okay, one more push, another push. Okay, I think that's fine. Once you're done with that, take the felt padding and place it back on. Just place it back on. Take your flint first, that small flint. Well, mine is small because I use it. Put it back inside, and then put your spring back in and screw it back. Kind of jumps out, so you gotta push it harder. Okay, I got it in. See, since the felt padding is still sticking out, you're supposed to push a little bit more on the cotton balls so it doesn't stick out. That's the only way to not make the felt padding stick out. So once you push, see, now it's nice and straight. Make sure no cotton is like sticking out. That's nice and straight right there. Once you're done with that, you see that piece that's left over. You're gonna take that, move it back out a little bit, put it straight together, and cut it a little bit. Remember, you need to use something good to cut with because it's like copper, so it is copper, so it's harder to cut. So once you're done with that, put it back in. I don't know if mine will still work, if the fuel runs or not. Oh, you see that spark? Yeah, it won't work. Oh, there, it started up. Sec. Oh, no, it's gone again. Yeah, you're supposed to put new fuel inside. So, yeah, once you put the fuel, it should work fine again. So, thanks for watching, guys, and please comment, rate, and subscribe for more videos. Peace.